Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on X/Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. This is the JeXtream Quvo FX20. It offers 1.8 gigabits a second up to 20 devices. It's a Wi-Fi 6 router, and it can supply wireless up to 3,000 square feet. Now mine has been updated to WPA 3.0 for testing and for higher security. A firmware update will be available for everyone soon. This downloadable app for changing of geofencing, internet scheduling, and content filtering is also available. You get a trial for the premium features, and then after that it's $20 per year. So that's pretty good. It works on the Apple App Store, iPhones, and it works on Google Play Store devices as well. It's just a few steps to set up. It's very easy. 4 steps right here. Then you can set up the Quvo app. I also set it up, and we'll see a rundown of that and how easy that is.
Going from main screen to internet scheduling, back to main screen showing Wi-Fi settings, main screen tapping into the profile settings, and I have set up for kids, and you can see the content filtering screen right here with all the many options available. I have it set to mild currently. Going back again and checking on adjusting schedules.
And you can see down below that we have 4 ports for connecting other devices via Ethernet, and this is the WAN port and the power port. You also have a WPS button and a reset button, and you also get a set of feet that fit in right here and slide up, so you can fit that vertically on your table like we have right here. So that's what it looks like vertically set up. This is the JeXtream FX20 offering AX1800 performance, up to 20 devices, works up to 3,000 square feet with no obstructions. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.